Hello, Vlogosphere.
What's up, y'all?
What's going on?
We're here in Santa Fe. We're at this cool art exhibit called
Meow Wolf.
Meow Wolf. It's pretty insane.
We're sitting inside some sort of tree.
We're in like this tree root right now.
On TV.
It's insane. We just
weird.
crawled through a dryer.
Yeah, Lackey came from a different dimension.
We're in the multiverse
Via
now.
the dryer.
I walked through a refrigerator.
See video.
Yeah, see video. This place is pretty sweet. All right, we'll take some good shots.
Yeah, later.
All right.
Later. Yeah, go slide. Candyland.
Candyland.
Some funny spirits. Keep that thing's alive.
This place is crazy.
This is the one where the fungus is candy. Tough life. Where's the store go?
Let's find out. The gift shop.
Something's gonna happen in here. Someone's getting married or we get a picture of that.
Crazy. Pretty sweet. Alaska Charty. It's a huge exhibit. I see him.
Such kids. Blacky's driving.
Come on, guys. That's so cool.
What is going on?
This place is crazy. Crazy stuff?
Yeah.
Look at this room.
Goes on forever.
All right, we're in Santa Fe, downtown Santa Fe.
Yeah,
It's really pretty.
We're in the square.
It's one of the oldest cities, right,
Yeah.
in the country. We're gonna get some lunch. We went to Meow Wolf, which was cool. Went into a dryer, disappeared
You do it again on video.
on video. Dan thought that was great.
Yeah, there's proof.
Yeah.
Extra directions.
It's a cool little town. Check this out. All right, we're gonna get some lunch,
Oh yeah.
and then hopefully a sopapilla.
Sorry, we'll be nicer after lunch.
See ya. Hey y'all, we're coming to you live again from
Somewhere
somewhere.
on the corner of Santa Fe.
We just had a really good meal. We walked around because we're really full, and now we're gonna head back to Albuquerque
Yeah, say goodbye, Santa Fe.
because the trip's almost over. I gotta get on the plane soon. So, all in all, it was a good trip. Charged.
I had a good time.
We had a great
I had a
time.
good time. Very tired.
Yeah, we're tired. We did a
We've
lot
done
of
a lot.
activity.
Wow.
Feel like we kind of match. Look at that. Nice. All right. Well, we'll see you guys later.
Yeah, toodles.
Next time. Say hi to everybody. We're vlogging.
Oh, you're killing it.
Hey, girl. Maya. What does a snake say? And what does a cow say? Moo. What's your name?
Look.
What's my name? That's my name! You said it! What's my name, Mark?
Oh, I just scared her.
Nugs!
Good job.
I love you.
Good job.
Bup, bup, bup. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Who loves you? Okay, let me get yours. Ready? Beep beep. Who's that? Beep. Honk. Beep beep. Oh, you hugging me? I love you too.